Me and my baby. Me and my baby.
Hey, man.
Me and my baby. You better get over here. So, y'all, we are staying at the Hampton Inn Suites.
Yeah.
Baby.
By the airport.
By the airport. Right by the airport, y'all. Wait. And I'm really feeling it, the hotel so far. It's really, really nice, y'all. Really, really nice. Hopefully later, Bea go to the bar with me.
Ain't no later, man. Mr. Hater gonna hate all night.
Preston is a hater, y'all.
Go ahead,
It's the
man.
trees for me. But I'm going to give y'all a room tour. Show y'all what this hotel looking like. So just come on with us. You going that way, baby? Okay, so Bea going that way. We're going to actually go in the front way right here. So this is the front entrance, y'all. Come on. This is when you first walk in. Come on, baby. And so we're going to go over here. And we're going to go upstairs, y'all. You hungry? You want some more food? You just got done eating, son. You had rice and everything. That wasn't enough? All right, so we are going up the elevator, y'all. Go ahead, baby.
Oh, mommy.
So,
I don't want it. No.
go ahead, baby, hit it. So we're going up now.
We're gonna burn.
Say hi to the booze.
Hi to the booze.
Say hi, booze.
Hi, booze.
So y'all, he been having so much fun. But this hotel is really nice, so I just wanted to show y'all. Go ahead, baby.
I don't watch this shit.
When you first get off the elevator, it's just this is the
I
view.
think you can do it.
Really, really nice view. A lot of different eatery places you could go to. Super, super nice, y'all. That's actually the swimming pool. We went down there earlier. Nice pool. They actually do have a fire pit as well on that side. And then so while I'm down here, I'm going to show y'all the fireplace up close and personal. My wife over here
Yeah, I'm
chilling. Over here by this fireplace. It's super nice, y'all. Super, super nice. But the hotel overall is super, super nice, y'all. Like the trees, everything is so nice. So yeah, y'all, make sure y'all check it out. It is the Hampton Inn Suites. I'm gonna take y'all to our room. Come on, baby. Here. I'm gonna give you the key. And you got it? Okay. So come on. We're gonna go to the room. We're gonna show the booze our room.
I miss.
Yes.
Hey, booze.
So we're gonna go ahead and open up the door. Hit the door. Okay. Hit it again. Hit it again, baby. Okay. Push. Awesome. All right. So this is when you first walk in, y'all. This is the bathroom when you first walk in to the right. And we got some towels and stuff down. But the shower, everything is super, super clean in here, y'all. Super, super nice. Got the toilet. They did come in here and clean up again. Super, super clean in here, y'all. Hey, booze. I still got on my swimsuit. Don't mind me. But yeah, y'all, I love it. We got our towels. We brought our own soap and everything. So yeah, y'all, super, super clean though. Super clean. No specks or anything. Hold on, baby. And then right here, we have another mirror, y'all. And then we also have another mirror this way. So it's 2 mirrors in here, y'all, as you can see. And then and here is our bed. We just got a king size bed, y'all. Super, super nice. Super, super clean. They got the drawers. It's 2 drawers on the side here. We got another one on that side over there. Over here, y'all, super nice, super clean. No complaints whatsoever, y'all. We got the drawers here, which we haven't used. Yeah, but they're here if you need them. It's at least 4 of these drawers. And then we got the TV right here. And then we also have a refrigerator. We haven't put anything in there. We did have some waters in there, but we drunk them. But that's that. And then here is our view from the bedroom, y'all. Pretty much the same from what I showed you. You can see the fire pit place down there. And this is the parking lot. Everybody is pretty much gone. But yeah, y'all, this is the view. And it's another table over here, but we got all our stuff over here. Our suitcase. But yeah, this is the room, y'all. It's super, super nice, super, super clean. No complaints. And yeah. And then I did want to just show y'all real quick. This is the hallway. Hallway is pretty big, as you can see. Super, super big hallway. But the rooms are really, really nice, y'all. They got these little things on the doors that says Hampton Clean Stay. And they just let you know that they've been cleaning with Clorox, you know, Clorox and everything. So, and then here's the ice machine. So it's right at the end of the hallway. And then they got a little storage room, but that's for the workers. Y'all know what's going on. And then I'm gonna open this so y'all can see. So it's really nothing out here, y'all. Look like a lot of construction that they doing. But you can see the street. And it's the trees for me, y'all. So again, y'all, this is the Hampton Inn Suites next to the airport. Super, super nice hotel, y'all. So if y'all in this area, make sure y'all book with them. You won't be disappointed, especially if you want to be like close to everything and close to the airport, most importantly. And his need for attention is so real, babe. Say it again. The need for attention. I understand. But yeah, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and end out this video. We finna get ready to take a shower, relax for the rest of the day. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Hey.